Assalamu alaikum guys. So in today's video I'm going to review Oats Smoothie by Skinny Recipes, and the written recipe will be in the description box, and also the original link of the video will be in the description box as well. So let's now get started with this recipe. First of all, I have taken a bowl, and in that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. I have got 1 date, and I have taken out the seed from this date. I'm going to keep it like that, and with that I'm going to add half cup of water, and I let it soak for about 10 minutes, and after that we will come back and see whether it has perfectly soaked or not. So guys, after 10 minutes the oats and the date have perfectly soaked up, and also the oats have absorbed up the water. And now let's move to a blending part. So here I have got the blender, and I'll start adding the ingredients. So firstly I'm adding the soaked date and oats. After that I will add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, and here I will add 1 roughly sliced banana, and that is the main reason why I've only used 1 date, because we were also using 1 banana. And after that I have got here 1 tablespoon of powdered flax seeds. I have got powder. If you have it without powder then it's also fine, and you have to add around 1 tablespoon. After that I am adding half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and in the end I will add half cup of water. So all together I have used 1 cup of water. So now let's blend it. So let's now pour it into the glass. So I'm going to garnish it with some chopped peanuts, chopped roasted peanuts. So now I'll taste it. It is really tasty, and it is quite healthy. And because from few days I have been doing liquid diet, so I thought that why not include this drink in my diet, and it tastes really good. And the taste of the peanut is so good. The chopped peanuts, the garnished peanuts are making it more tastier. And guys, you can have this drink every day, because this drink contains all the healthy ingredients, all the natural ingredients. There are no artificial ingredients in this drink, as you have seen, as you have watched this video. And also Skinny Recipes have done a great job in making this smoothie. It's really good, and it doesn't have any side effects, because my skin is acne friendly. My skin is best friend of acne, so I was scared of whether it hurts my skin or affects my skin, but it didn't contain any kind of artificial ingredient. So you can try this drink, and this drink is very healthy, very refreshing, and it tastes really good. It has a very sweet, little bit sweet and little bit peanut taste, so it's quite good. And if you don't have peanut, and if you have peanut butter, then you can add that, and also you can garnish it with peanut butter then, or you can garnish it with walnuts or almonds. So now I'm just finishing up the video, because I'm quite hungry right now, so I'm going to take this smoothie. And guys, and before finishing up the video, do subscribe, like, share and comment as well, so that you can easily get our latest videos whenever we come up with a new one. And also comment below that what drink or what food you want me to review or try it out from other channels. So now let's finish up the video then. Bye, Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself and of your loved ones.